The development cost tab allows you to consolidate all the different costs of the project. So some of them that we have already made assumptions for in our cost tab and our units tab or interim income, everything that is already here is all automatically flows into this page. But if you've got custom ones, so we've given you this blank section, which is basically you can keep adding all different line items. So for example, this could be side cut and fill. It's gonna cost 20,000 to do the side cut and fill, or you can take them off completely, select whether or not they will be part of the bank's TDC. Now, this bank TDC percentage column here flows into your funding table, and that's the reason it's there, because contrary to popular belief, banks do not fund all the costs. The banks will not give you a blanket 70% of all total development costs. Banks do this based on the total development cost that they consider to be total development cost, which is basically hard cost. And we'll discuss more under the funding table section here. But to explain it in a nutshell and quickly, is that we take care of all of these things. You can add different contingencies to different line items, or even the ones that you enter yourself, and allocate whether or not a bank would consider that to be the cost. For example, in our funding table, you'll see that a stamp duty is not considered part of the cost that the banks would fund, or your holding costs related to land acquisition. Banks will not consider that part of the cost of the project, although for you it is part of the cost of the project. So that's where this is distinguished. And if you're not ready yet, I say you sign up for the demo account so that you can ask questions and interact with me and post your scenario, and we can address them over there as well. Thanks.